Best deals.
1. Handy. Made with extra thick tri-ply stainless steel, it ensures even heating without hot spots. The ceramic-coated green exterior is easy to clean and stays new for years. Built to handle high heat and safe for metal spatulas. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Container. Made from premium stainless steel for enhanced durability and rust resistance. See-through lid provides a clear view of the container's contents. 2.8 liters capacity, perfect for storing dry items such as grains, snacks, spices, and more. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Frying pan. Experience cooking perfection with less wear and tear, thanks to the PFOA-free non-stick coating reinforced on tri-ply stainless steel. You can confidently use metal utensils without fear of damaging the surface. The extra thick 3 mm tri-ply construction ensures optimal heat retention. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Butter knife. Stainless steel surface is polished to make the cheese knife blade flat. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Teapot. Made of the durable metal, it can easily handle daily cups of delicious tea. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Griddle fry pan. Flat surface on one side, and grill ridges on the other. Flat tawa for making dosas, rotis, chilla, uttappam, etc., and ridged grill for searing, roasting, and barbecue. Uni-body one-piece design with easy pouring lips on the grill side. The griddle is made of high-quality cast material that heats quickly and evenly. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage box. The meal prep containers are designed to stacked, nested and which are safe completely. With our airtight food storage containers, you can easily store food in the fridge, making it easy to prepare healthy meals, and keep your kitchen tidy and organized. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Drainer. Made with premium stainless steel and chrome plating. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Spice box. Is a must-have kitchen essential for every home. Made from premium quality stainless steel, this masala box ensures long-lasting durability, maintaining its shine. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Strainer. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this oil strainer is rust-resistant. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Brush. Constructed with sturdy plastic and powerful silicone soft bristles for long-lasting and highly effective use in various cleaning tasks. The cloth brush has an ergonomic handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly scrub and remove dirt and stains from clothes without straining your hand. This cloth washing brush is simple to disassemble and refill. Open the rubber pad to fill the liquid storage tank with detergent, press the top to dispense the detergent. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tiffin. This stylish lunch companion effortlessly combines practicality with aesthetics. Its sleek design makes it suitable for both kids and adults. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cloth stacker. Designed for easy installation and hassle-free organizing of your clothes. It also has a smart, easy-to-slide design and helps to easily reorganize. Made from the most durable materials for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Soap dispenser. Crafted from high-strength, wear-resistant plastic, this kitchen soap dispenser ensures long-lasting durability and it's built to withstand the demands of any busy kitchen. Streamline your sink area with unmatched practicality and organization. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Sari bags. It is a fabric so you can use it after wash if it becomes dirty. It ensures the fitting of huge single sari per bag, and 2 small saris per bag. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Flow mop. Durable telescoping mop handle with extra large mop head. Durable telescoping mop handle with extra large mop head. Rubberized corners to reduce damaging baseboards and furniture. Locking strips for easy attachment and removal of pad. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, This cast iron kadai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing and making fresh zest to take your meals to another level. Quickly prep an array of foods like cheese, potato, squash, zucchini. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Soap dish. Is composed of ABS, which makes it a long-lasting product. There are no volatile organic chemicals in this product, making it safe, non-toxic, and easy to use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Slicer. From thin to thick, this manual vegetable cutter ensures uniformity in your slices, perfect for achieving professional-looking results in your culinary creations. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with this thick chopper designed for the modern kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel construction not only adds a touch of elegance to your countertop but also ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for all your slicing needs. With 2 interchangeable blades included, this vegetable slicer offers versatility in cutting options. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cutlery holder. Made from high-quality metal material that ensures long-lasting. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Manual chopper. Food processor is a manual food processor and chopper comes with 2 gears for power and speed. The chopper comes with high-quality sharp stainless steel blades for quality in life. The material used in this product meets the US FDA requirement and it is non-breakable plastic. This food processor product with its 5 different gadgets makes your multiple daily kitchen routine simple and easy. The food processor has 5 different gadgets for easy chopping, dough making, slicing, shredding, and whipping. A unique transparent design of the food processor enables you to experience the internal engineering and functioning of the product. Capacity of food processor bowl is 1.5 liters. Making dough is an art, and if you don't know this art then you should probably need an atta kneader. Food processor is a simple device that takes this mess off your hands, quite literally. It does all the kneading work for you and gives you perfect dough to work with. It is a simple, manual dough maker that requires you to spend minuscule energy on it. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tea infuser. Is designed to cater to your preferences. It's suitable for brewing a variety of teas, from traditional black or green tea to herbal or fruit infusions. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Bowl. A stainless steel square-shaped vati is a small bowl or dish commonly used in Indian households for serving food or for individual portions. Product link is given in the 24th link.